Alright guys, well this is the video you guys have been requesting ever since we turboed the BRZ as a POV drive. So some type of like POV driving now that the BRZ is turbo. It's a nice day out. Let's go and start her up. Gosh, this thing sounds so freaking good. Back at the home garage, if you haven't been here in a while in the videos, but yeah, this thing sounds so freaking crazy now. So if you guys are not up to date with the videos, we just installed a P&L turbo kit, so it sounds completely different. It has the equal length manifold now. Before we used to run the unequal length. Probably gonna grab some food right now, a little food run. I'm honestly craving like spam musubi. This is so random, but I've been craving that for a while now, so I think we're gonna grab that and maybe Jamba Juice. So the car is running great. It just needs an oil catch can, which I do have at the shop. I'm probably gonna install that later, and also an oil cooler. Just like casual cruising temps go up to about like 225, so it's kind of high low-key. But yeah, those are like the two things I definitely need for this car. Oof. Yeah, we have the, like I said, the P&L turbo kit. It's a Garrett G30 660, I believe. Running Walbro fuel pump, 1050 injectors. Car is completely catless right now. And then the Aeroflow Dynamics titanium catback. The sound this car makes is just unreal, bro. Like, it sounds like fake in a way. Like, you just see like Instagram reels and like cars online with like these crazy turbo noises, but like rarely you hear it in person, you know what I mean? But like this car, it like makes it all. It's, I don't know, like I literally cannot explain it. It's so cool. Oh man, this thing sounds like a jet, dude. For you guys wondering, I got my phone right here. This is the Ecutech app. So this car is tuned with Ecutech, the little dongle. So there's an app on your phone. You can like kind of see all the gauges, like the advanced multiplier, AFRs, engine oil temps, like all that stuff. It's pretty cool. Kind of get to monitor your car as you're driving, make sure everything's like running tip-top shape. But let's probably get into a little bit of throttle here, maybe like 50%, nothing too crazy. Oh man, that's like literally 50%. Sounds unreal, bro. Every time there's people on the sidewalks, they just like look, because this car is so loud, bro. Like that open, like when the wastegate opens, it just screams. Like it sounds like an Evo. Oh. Man, this car feels amazing, bro. I've never owned a car like this ever. Like I've just stuck with, you know, the FRS, you know, stock for a while. We put the supercharger on, you know, pushing around 350 wheel, but this car literally at 565, that is almost double the amount of horsepower on the FRS, and the FRS is boosted too. So I mean, you can kind of imagine, bro, this car is just literally a complete different car. The car, however, does not like first gear. It kind of freaks out, so I kind of tend to stay away from stepping on it in first gear. Woo! The pops too. That's literally like quarter throttle. I'm trying to make it pop. Oh my gosh, that dead ass scared me. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like this car is wild, bro. It does everything, literally. Oh my gosh, I did not expect that one. I'm not even joking. drop a freaking like for a turbo BRZ, man. We finally did it. Kind of finally dipped my toes on the performance side of things, man. It's been so long. I know you guys have been wanting it, so smash that like. That was probably 75%. Oh my goodness. Dude, bro, this car gives me like so much adrenaline. Like, I just like kind of like freeze up and tense up sometimes, bro. I don't know, sometimes I just gotta like gather myself. That sounds so dramatic, but I'm just not used to this stuff. But yeah, I think the car needs a clutch, low-key. I feel like it's slipping sometimes when I'm like literally getting on it. Had to roll up my window a little bit because I low-key get embarrassed when I have this GoPro on my head when I'm filming in public. After 7 years, 6-7 years of filming, you would think like someone would be comfortable, but nah, man. I literally only film by myself or around people that I know. Other than that, I get super shy and embarrassed. This car's hot, bro. Like, see, just after a couple pulls, we're at 217 for engine oil temps. This guy's like looking at the car. But nah, man, you guys got to hear this thing in person. Like, this car sounds crazy. I know I sound like a broken record. I'm always like, oh, this car sounds like a jet. This car sounds like this, that. But I'm excited for all you guys to see this at the cruise. I'm not too sure if this video is going to be up by then, but so excited for you guys to hear this thing in person. Yeah, this car smokes like crazy. Can you guys see that? Like, there's a lot of smoke coming out from the tailpipe. So I was told that it's because I don't have a catch can. All the oil from the turbo, I don't know. Dude, it's literally just oil. I mean, smoke everywhere. It looks so bad, but yeah, that does not look good. Especially if, like, I don't want to say it. I don't want to jinx myself. If a COP is behind me, that would definitely look bad with all this smoke. Definitely doesn't look California legal, right? This light is taking forever, bro. Come on. This is so bad, but now that I have a turbo on, I never had this itch, but I want to see what this car can keep up with on the road. Like muscle cars and everything, like, bro, this car is super lightweight. I think like probably around 3,000 pounds. So with 565, bro, it's a lot of power for a little car, low-key. Damn, that's clean. Damn, that thing is clean. Damn, look at that. Type R, that's on BBS's. Damn, we're seeing all the cars here. That's the cool thing about California too. Like, the car scene is massive, bro. I just went to Texas to visit family like a week ago, and bro, I think I saw like one or two JDM cars barely modified. Like, the car scene there, I feel like is just so dead from where I went. I don't know, who knows, maybe it's different other places, but California, modified cars everywhere. I love it. All right, just pulled up to Jamba. All right, can I get a chunky strawberry bowl, please? That's it.
Are you a Wood member with us?
No, I'm not. All right, switch it up. I was gonna get the pink strawberry, or no, pink Starburst smoothie. So fire, but I got a bowl this time. Sorry if I'm not like going crazy with the car, because like I said, we're still kind of dialing this car in, and also like every little noise this car makes, or like some type of different feel with the throttle or something, I get freaked out. So I'm like, oh shoot, like, so I feel like I'm like messing something up in a way, but just bear with me, guys. I'm trying to make it pop right here. Bruh. I order 2 orders of spam musubi, please? That's it.
Name, please.
Chris?
You're within 5 minutes. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Alright, well, as you can see, we made it back to the shop. As you guys saw, we just went on a little food run. So, like I showed you guys, we got the Jamba Juice. This thing is so fire. You guys gotta try it. The chunky strawberry bowl. Strawberries, bananas, granola with like, I don't know, like a berry smoothie or a strawberry smoothie on the bottom. And then had to pair it with good old spam musubi. Man, I've been craving this for so freaking long, you guys don't even know. Alright, today we are gonna start with the lighting for the shop. I mentioned it last video that I finally got some new lights for the shop. Now I got 6 of these 8-foot long LED lights. As you can see, these things are super nice. I actually got these on Amazon. I have the link down in the description below if you guys need some lights for like your garage. These are nice. This is nice honestly for like a DIY little garage setup. But as you can see, this is what they look like. So we got 6 of these, a lot of them. I think I'm gonna only use 4 or 5 today. But I'm super excited, man. Today we're gonna start with the lighting. As you can see, they're super long. So my idea, what I wanna do is I wanna do one up there, one right here, kind of in the middle. Come to this side, the same exact thing. One up there, one down here. You know this song? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got a 4x4.
Oh yeah, bro.
4 patties and In-N-Out.
Oh yeah, bro.
Let's go get some In-N-Out, and dude, it is so bright in here. He finished up wiring everything, and dude, check it out. Oh my gosh, it's such a big difference. It's alright. It's just a little bit of light. Dude, so much better. Wow, such a big difference, man. I can freaking film it here now. It's actually light, good light. But yeah, if you guys are interested in something like this, I'll have the link down below on these lights I got from Amazon. It was about 120 bucks for 6. But you can choose between like 4 or 2. I mean, I think you can choose however much you want. Oh, yeah, I gotta take these things off. But these lights are so nice, man. They kind of connect like this. They all have connectors on each end of the light. But we had to route it to the plug. I know it's kind of like rough right now. I have to tuck them everywhere, but it all plugs into like a wall. It has a switch, so you can turn it on or off. Got the other switch for this one. Heck yeah, man. Obviously these wires don't reach all the way to here, so we had to buy the extension wire. Kind of tapped them in just like a car, you know, just tapped all the wires together to extend it. Goes to one light, goes to the other. Pretty self-explanatory, basic wiring. Sorry, I have a mouthful, but I'm gonna turn them all off. This is what it looked like before.
Old time.
Old time. Hey, low quality, huh?
Yeah, low quality. So low quality, bro.
Oh my gosh.
No,
bro.
It's too nice right now.
Bro. That's crazy.
Damn, bro. I really did.
I can't believe I was working with this. Like, this is literally dark.
I really did that.
No, you can't. It's not top of the line, bro. It's tough.
It's tough right now.
Yeah, it's tough.
I can say it.
Bro, I literally still can't believe it. I got a single cheeseburger.
What?
You just gotta get a whole freaking
Quality, bro.
¿Es de este lado?
4 patties, bro.
¿Se puede usar los dos? ¿O nomás un lado?
No, uno nomás.
Big old piece of meat in your mouth.
Una verga es tu boca, güey.
Just have a little bit of work to do because obviously these wires are black. So I'm thinking about wrapping this all white and like tucking it like super nice. This honestly was just for now. so we can get the lights to work. But yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to make it look neat because I actually cannot drill into these walls. 3M tape for the lights was like used to hold these up, and then I'm gonna have to probably like tape this as well. So but yeah, if you guys are wondering what kind of wires I use, like the extension wires to route, I got this from Lowe's. It's like a 18 by 3. All I did was took so this is the harness that goes to the wires. As you can see, there's 3 wires inside here. I pretty much just matched it to this. So it's pretty much like the same size. This as well has 3 wires inside of one. I just put the BRZ in the shop, and here's the first look, guys. Let me know what you think. Oh my gosh. Bro, the camera has to like freaking adjust itself. Man, it literally looks like a showroom now, like a wrap shop type kind of vibe with the lights. Dude, that is so awesome, bro. Dude, this angle right here with the freaking BRZ and the bike, that's so dope. Oh my gosh. I literally like, it's crazy. Like, this is literally what it was before. What? Now doing both. Wow, bro. Now, it's like one of those things where you don't realize how bad something is until you like make it better or like do a change like this. Like, this is amazing, man. I definitely wish I did this much sooner. And I feel like you guys would feel the exact same way. Like, if your home garage needs some light, bro, just not even, it doesn't have to be 6 like I did. Just 2 of them, maybe even 1, it's gonna make such a big difference. But I kind of just went overboard. If you guys have been like contemplating it, this video is your sign, low-key. So the links, like I said, will be down in the description. Shout out to my girl. I love you, Daniela, for getting me these for my birthday. This is actually a birthday present for me. A long-awaited thing that I've been needing to do. Yeah, bro, I love the way it came out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I'm actually getting all my stuff ready for the cruise. We got the whole border supply tent in here. Got all our merch. Got the walkie-talkies for the cruise so we can communicate. But yeah, just want to show you guys the shop with finally the long-awaited mod I've been needing to do. Looks so dope, man. So happy with the outcome. Guys, how do I say this? It's crazy. It honestly still has not hit. I don't want to get, honestly, okay, I don't want to get my hopes up too high. All right, I'm just gonna get straight to the point. So, you guys know I've been trying to sell my STI. I posted it up for sale a couple videos ago, and I've been getting a lot of emails, you know, a lot of people interested, but obviously, you know, with selling stuff, you know, parts, cars, a lot of people flake. A lot of people say they're interested, but then end up flaking like a couple days, weeks later. Long story short, I've been in contact with this guy for about 1 to 2 weeks now, and I would say he is the most serious out of everybody. Again, I don't want to get my hopes up because it is a lot of these so-called interested buyers flake. But this guy apparently, I don't need to get too much into details, but the STI literally, I think, is about to be sold. Now, what he just did, I feel like is pretty much like the green light, as in like he officially bought the car. So yeah, that just happened literally today, and yeah, I don't know what to think, man. I feel like it's like so surreal. Again, I don't want to get my hopes up. Yeah, I think the STI is officially sold. That's crazy to freaking say, man. I think I'm gonna leave off the video right there. As time goes, you know, the process with this buyer, I'll let you guys know what happens. But yeah, I just had to share that because that literally just happened today, and I'm like, dang, bro, it's like, it hasn't really hit me yet, to be honest. Crazy news, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This was a highly requested video, POV driving in the BRZ. Super fun, man. Also, we got the shop lights, so that's a huge plus. I've been dying to work in the shop now because we have freaking awesome lights in there you can actually see. So it's getting late, so I'm gonna need to get some sleep right now. It's about like midnight. Next video should be the birthday cruise. That happened a couple days ago, and yeah, that was just a full-on vibe, man. So much happened that day, but you guys will see in the next video. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.